Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Ovens Garage. Today I'm going to be installing something into Old Blue that I also have in my red truck, and I think it's a good thing to have, no matter what, and everyone should install one. So today I'm going to be installing a fire extinguisher into the cab. So like I said, I've already got one in the red truck, and my plan is to install this one into Old Blue. So I picked up this fire extinguisher at Canadian Tire. It's good for automotive marine use, so it should be good in the vehicle. And then this mount I picked up off of Amazon. I'll link both of these products in the description box below, so that way you can also install the same thing. So I've still yet to go and grab some hardware. This bracket here is actually a really nice bracket. It's an aluminum two-piece, and then you just pull this, and then this whole top piece comes off really easily. So that way when you're in an emergency, you just have to pull that, yank it right out, and it's super easy. Those two hose clamps there just wrap around the extinguisher and then onto the top part of the bracket. And then here there's two recessed tapered holes there that I'll have to get some tapered nuts and bolts, or tapered bolts, and then a couple nuts just to drill through the floor of the cab, and then I'll mount it in there. So I'll show you what it looks like in the red truck now, and then I'll walk you through installing this one in Old Blue. Alright, so I've just got it mocked up in place here. The front of my extinguisher, the blue nozzle is just in line with the front of the bracket, and then the pull handle is maybe half an inch in from the sill plate. So that'll be, out of the way of my feet, and then still easy to access as soon as I open my door if I need it. And if I need to, I'll still be able to, when the door is closed, open it up and pull it out. All right, and here's just a quick shot of the hardware that I use. So 5/16, 18 on the bolt nut, and I used a lock washer on there, and these bolts are 2 inches long. Here's a look at the final install from the top. It's all stainless hardware, so that won't rust. And then a look at the bottom. There we go. So just use those two lock washers and two nuts on there. Alright guys, so that's how I installed the fire extinguisher into Old Blue. So I hope this motivates you to install a fire extinguisher into your truck. I know Dodges get a bad reputation for burning to the ground, so it's always good to have a fire extinguisher on hand if you need it. Fire extinguisher is one of those things that it's better to have and not need it than need it and not have it. And you never know if you ever come across another vehicle that's on fire, or something else that's on fire. It's good to have an extinguisher on hand, and it's something that I definitely can't preach enough, is to get an extinguisher. So thanks for watching, guys. Cheers, and stay tuned for the next one.